In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete message in Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through the exact process from opening your browser to confirming the deletion, so you can clean up your business inbox with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. You'll see the official Meta result near the top. Click the correct link that takes you to Meta's Business Suite. Double-check that you're on an official Meta domain before proceeding, just to keep your account secure. Next, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials tied to the business you manage. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the page or profile connected to Business Suite. Otherwise, you might not see the right inbox. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and select Inbox. This is your unified hub for messages from Facebook Messenger and Instagram Direct, and possibly other channels you've connected. If the menu is collapsed, hover to expand it or look for an icon that represents messages. After the inbox loads, you'll see a list of conversations on the left and the selected thread on the right. Find the conversation you want to remove. You can scroll or use the search bar to locate the contact or thread. Click on the conversation to open it and confirm it's the one you intend to delete. Keep in mind, in Business Suite, deleting is typically done at the conversation level, meaning the entire thread goes away from your business inbox, not just a single message. At the top of the open conversation, look for a trash or delete icon. In some layouts, you may need to click a More Actions button, often shown as 3 dots, and then choose Delete Conversation. The wording can vary slightly, but the option to delete will be clearly labeled. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct thread, since this action is meant to be definitive. When you click Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Read it carefully and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the conversation is removed from your business's side and won't appear in your inbox anymore. Note that this does not remove the message history from the other party's account. It only clears it from your business suite. That's it. You've successfully deleted a conversation in Meta Business Suite. If you manage a team, consider sharing this process so everyone follows the same steps and avoids accidental deletions. Thanks for watching, and keep your inbox organized and secure.